Lee Sterling of ParamountSports.com, and we did it again. Another winning week. 8-4 for our clients. Now, how about this? I mean, we are maybe the top service in the country. No one can touch our record here, winning for the Baker's Dozen. That was a big winning week, and 25-11 on the season. You find me one service that's documented 25-11 or better than we are here at ParamountSports.com. And we're going to keep rolling. What do we have going on this week? Underdog shocker. We've already hit our 45 unit best bet. We're 62-20 on those. We will have an underdog game, and I think the line's off maybe a touchdown or more. So this will be another best bet. How do you get involved? 2 weeks. You don't want to try me for the season. You've never been a client of mine. 2 weeks. Every one of my games on my executive phone service where we rate them from 10 to 50 units. You get 11 to 15 games a week. Just $127. That's it. 2 weeks through Monday, October 2nd, just $127. The season discounted to $9.97 with coupon code SAVE300. And baseball, we hit a 50-unit max wager in baseball last week, having another huge winning year there. How do you get involved with baseball? Through the World Series, all the way down to just $197. Go to ParamountSports.com or call 800-400-9741. Start winning today.